Today I'm excited to share with you some fabulous tips on how to transition your wardrobe from summer to fall elegantly. Hello elegant ladies, welcome back to The Elegant Lady, where we explore the art of elegance in everyday life. Please don't forget to subscribe for more fashion tips and inspiration. As the seasons change, it's time to transition your wardrobe from summer to fall seamlessly and elegantly. In today's video, I'll be sharing tips and tricks on how to update your outfits for the cooler weather while still maintaining a touch of summer style. Let's dive into the world of transitional dressing and elevate your wardrobe with sophistication and flair. This will not only help you to save money on new clothes, but you'll also have fun creating new elegant outfits. Let's get started. Number 1. Assess your summer wardrobe. First things first, let's assess our summer wardrobe. Identify pieces that can be layered or paired with fall essentials. Think lightweight dresses, blouses, and skirts that can be easily transitioned. Number 2. Incorporate fall colors. Next, let's talk about colors. As you transition from summer to fall, embrace the rich and earthy tones of the season. Incorporate shades of burgundy, mustard, forest green, and deep browns into your outfits to capture the essence of autumn. Mix these fall colors with your summer staples for a seamless and elegant transition. For example, I can wear this ivory satin dress with a blazer or a sweater over it. Number 3. Layering essentials. One of the key elements of transitioning your wardrobe from summer to fall is mastering the art of layering. Start by incorporating lightweight pieces like cardigans, blazers, sweaters, and scarves into your outfits. Layering allows you to add warmth and dimension to your look while still showcasing your favorite summer pieces. If you're new here and you love elegance as much as I do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos that I upload every single Wednesday. It really helps this channel grow, and through my videos I'll help you become a more elegant, sophisticated and high-class lady. Number 4. Mix and match textures. Experiment with different textures to add depth and interest to your fall outfits. Pair lightweight fabrics like silk or chiffon with wool or cashmere for a luxurious and multidimensional look. Mixing textures creates a visual contrast and adds a touch of sophistication to your transitional wardrobe. Number 5. Accessorize thoughtfully. Accessories can make a huge difference. Finish off your fall looks with thoughtfully chosen accessories that elevate your outfit. Swap your summer hats for chic berets or fedoras. Add scarves in autumnal prints and colors. And of course, don't forget elegant boots and loafers to complete your look. Accessories are the perfect way to add a touch of elegance and individuality to your transitional wardrobe. Number 6. Embrace transitional footwear. Speaking of footwear, it's time to transition from sandals to more fall-appropriate shoes. Swap out your summer sandals for transitional footwear options like ankle boots, loafers, mules, and closed-toe heels. These versatile shoe styles are perfect for bridging the gap between seasons and adding a touch of sophistication to your fall outfits while also keeping you warm. Opt for neutral colors that complement your wardrobe and can be easily mixed and matched. Number 7. Final touches. Finally, let's put it all together. Combine your summer pieces with fall essentials, add layers and accessorize. Remember, the goal is to create a seamless transition that keeps you stylish and comfortable. And there you have it, ladies, our guide to transitioning your wardrobe from summer to fall elegantly. By incorporating fall colors, layering essentials, mixing textures, Accessorizing thoughtfully and choosing transitional footwear, you can effortlessly elevate your fall style while still holding onto the essence of summer. Experiment with different combinations and have fun in the process. I hope these tips inspire you to create beautiful fall outfits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips on living an elegant life. Also, make sure to follow the Elegant Lady Instagram page. Now watch my next video where I share with you the best old money colors for a classic look. I will see you there, and until then, stay elegant, ladies.